Elon Musk has an emerald mine challenge. 1 million Dogecoin up for grabs if you can prove ownership. Well, because he basically got, not even accused, really. The guy was just like, hey, did you see the community notes? But he got defensive about it. You could tell he does not like this emerald mine talk. Mm-hmm. He's like, like that one thing about his dad in Africa seems to get him a little irritated. Mm-hmm.
Because maybe it keeps getting brought up.
It does.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And Elon Musk obviously has said he does not never owned an emerald mine. His dad never showed him an emerald mine. And now he's got some offer, but it could be a joke because this came from originally Doge designer on Twitter, an open offer of 69.420 Doge to all media outlets who are publishing false information. Send me proof of this emerald mine. And then he replies to that saying, I will pay 1 million Dogecoin for proof of this mine's existence. And then you're pretty certain that the whole thing is a bit of a joke. But what's 1 million Doge even worth? I mean, we were talking about crypto comeback. Crypto comeback's legit, isn't it?
Yeah, it's coming back.
Crypto comeback is legit.
At least for now, for this week.
Yeah, but that means something because it was like dead. It was red dead, was it not?
It was, some would say, hibernating.
Crypto winter.
Yeah.
Let me check because the thing kept sending me notifications, didn't it? Aren't you getting these notifications or is that just me?
What notifications? For what?
Oh, like whatever. Bitcoin is up. There you go. There's your chart. I was just looking for it. Bitcoin is up. Ethereum's up. Like, I don't know. I was getting pinged on that stuff. Actually, everything is up.
Yeah.
Why's it got to be everything is up?
Because Bitcoin is the main indicator.
I know.
If it's doing well most of the time, others are doing
Oh, I see. So it was up, and then now it's kind of dipping a little bit.
A little bit,
yeah. I get it. Okay.
Yeah. Well, good luck.
All right.
Hopefully someone proves it. Or not.
This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.